Hi, this is Neeraj Jaswal and welcome to this episode. In this episode, I'm going to add the functionality to the equals button. So let's get started. We'll open up the script. Here we need to add the function for the handling of the equal to button click. So we'll name it as on equals pressed. No need to have any parameter. So here we need to make sure that there is an operator out there which needs and we need to do the calculations. What I mean to say is, like, we need to check that if current operator which we had been saving here, the operator which we had been saving is not blank. If it is blank, we'll just return, not do anything. But otherwise we'll need to do some operations. So we'll handle it with switch case on the current operator. So we had been passing the different values, for example, case divide, then we had been passing case multiply. Make sure it matches the values which we had been passing, minus and case plus. Now it's the time to add the code for it. So we'll just save it, we'll create one variable out here, new number, initialize it with 0, and then so this new number will be like the operation for divide is first number divide by the number. Now this number will need to basically parse from here. So let us include this everything. We'll copy this here and we will include another bracket, and then we'll indent it. So now this new number should be basically the first number by number, and then we'll add a break statement. Similarly for multiply, we'll just copy and paste and reuse the code. So for multiply it will be this asterisk sign, and then for minus, first number minus number, and then plus. So now we have handled all the scenarios, basically all the operators. Next is, once this is done, we need to populate the result with the calculated value. So, and one more thing we need to do is, because the calculations has been done, we need to set is new number to true, because you can start typing in. So looks great to me right now. Let's build it and we'll add it to the button. Let us select this button and add the one click listener here. We'll add the object, select on equals pressed. Let's try to run it and see whether the equal to works or not. So 1 plus 2 works perfectly. So that's all in this episode. Keep rocking and happy coding.